Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by creating the file. Open the Google Slides app and sign in. Once signed in, tap the plus button and choose blank presentation or a template. That immediately creates a deck synced to Drive. Make sure you grant storage or camera permission now so images and imports work. You can rename the file by tapping the title at the top. Do this quickly so you don't lose time switching between apps when adding media. Now you'll construct the content. Tap plus to add slides and choose layouts that match your needs. Use the insert icon to add images, shapes, text boxes, or links. Dragging corners resizes elements and two-finger gestures pan the canvas. Make sure to format text. Choose font, size, color, and alignment so slides read cleanly on small screens. Once done, rearrange slides by long-pressing thumbnails and dragging them to reorder the flow of your presentation. Finish by previewing the presentation and checking speaker notes and transitions. Tap Present to simulate delivery. When satisfied, open the menu to share via link, add collaborators with permissions, or export as PPTX or PDF for distribution. Make sure to enable offline access if you'll present without internet. If syncing fails, try toggling offline mode, reconnecting to Wi-Fi, or force closing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.